These hands built it.
Allan and I met on the side of the road one day.
Yeah. I can't tell you, Wayne, how many times I told that story.
We left a car show together, and I had an empty trailer, and I look, and he's on the side of the road. I said, "What's the matter?" He says, "I don't know. I got a little start, this and that." I said, "Come on, I'll haul the trailer and I'll bring you home."
Yeah. Oh, don't leave out the part that you made me drive that Jag.
Oh yeah, I took the Jag out of the trailer.
And I'm arguing with them. I'm like, no, Wayne, I'll drive the truck and trailer. You drive the Jag.
C-type?
Yeah.
C-type Jag.
Right. I never drove a right-hand drive. The windshield was to here. Right, the steering wheel, and it was vapor locking.
Your car?
Yours.
Oh yeah, okay.
And the last time you said to me, this time it starts, just go! I guess I'm going.
Okay.
Thanks.
Start her up.
This is a modified Ford GT, considered a Ford GT-R, and the R comes from the Robertson race team, who took a 2005 Ford GT, modified it to qualify for LeMans. The body was actually taped off and mold released of the race car, and a mold was created, which is the platform for this body. And then from there, an entire aluminum frame was built to fit the body. Full roll cage ties into the engine, up above the passenger heads, down into the foot box. So it's race ready. It's painted in McLaren Dove Gray, and major changes to the body are the wheel flares. If you look down the side of the car. So the doors have automatic actuators. It's a push button. So they're always locked and they open with the push of a button. Swing quite far away. The interior is done. All the interior pieces had to be made because of the roll cage, to cover the roll cage overhead along the sides. It's done in Alcantara leather and a finish called soft steel paint, and so the black, like around on the dash and such. If you touch it, it feels like leather, but it's not.
Okay.
It makes it real nice. HRE wheels. The HRE guy is here today.
Nice. I'm sure he's happy to see that.
And looking through the glass, we got the Ford Predator, which is used in the Mustang GT500s.
Yeah.
It's rated at 750. This car made 784 to the wheels on the dyno. So I'll open her up. Again, a push button to open the back. And following the heritage of the GTs, it's a bundle of snake exhaust. 3 weeks in the work to make it. So it's the Predator going into a Graziano transaxle, which is a transaxle that's used in the Gallardo and the Audi R8. It's got a crossover muffler and it has cats. So the modified, the intake had to be modified to fit the mid-engine versus a front engine car. It's got power steering, power brakes, power mirrors, power windows. We won't even talk about the windows. That was 4 weeks of work to get the windows to work.
Really?
Yeah, it was crazy. These hands built it. That's how I know it was 1,800 hours. So like the whole, just things how they wrap together here, tied into the frame, you know, structurally to make it handle. Because you don't want to be going 250 miles an hour, have your chassis fall apart.
Right.
This is actually pretty fresh out of the shop. Still breaking in the Kevlar clutch.
Yeah.
Like that. So it's been on the dyno to get it tuned in and just make sure everything's good, no leaks or anything. And it's got 70 miles on it now. So
wow.
It's got a good 500 miles before I can really test her on
Definitely.
the street.